Gentle trigger warning. Hey besties, we're keeping it casual, but this episode talks about certain mental health issues. Feel free to listen whenever you're ready. Hi guys!
Hello! Hi again, I'm Dots and I'm Loki.
I'm Bianca and I'm Extra.
Welcome to Loki
Extra! The podcast.
The podcast.
Yes.
Welcome back to our
Hi
podcast.
Dots, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Welcome back to the podcast area, space.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you for welcoming me here. Wow.
Yes.
Ikaw, how are you? How are we doing?
I am ecstatic.
Ecstatic.
Ecstatic kasi
Can you define
Na-
ecstatic?
happy na lang. I'm happy. Yes.
So
Kasi
happy.
by this time, naka-upload na ang episode 1, 2, and 3. Yay!
This is episode 4. Congratulations.
Yes, welcome to episode 4 of the Loki Extra podcast.
You made it. Well, we made it.
We made it to episode 4.
Yeah.
Ang dami na natin na pag-usapan.
Parang, no?
Sa isang podcast, ang dami nating topic.
Oo. Ano ba? Tatalunin ba natin yung dog show divas sa dami ng topic?
Uy, trending yon sa Reddit na sobrang dami nilang tinatakal na topic sa isang
Per
podcast.
episode.
Oo.
Na ano na nga sila FTTM. Alam mo ba yun?
Ano yung FTTM?
It's a Facebook page. Nakalimutan ko ano ibig sabihin. Yung blue. Sorry, I don't know what it means. Pero FTTM. Parang pag na-feature ka doon, you've made it. As a meme or something.
Kailangan ma-feature din tayo doon. Wow!
Manifesting.
Libre mangarap.
Libre mangarap.
Yes.
Remember that, kids.
So, ang lighting natin ngayon, ngayon ko na-feel na medyo nakakasilaw na pala siya.
Sinisikatan ng araw.
Oo. Pero hopefully okay ang aming video and audio sa mga nakikinig sa Spotify. Hello.
Hello.
And sa YouTube. Hi.
Feeling ko naman ako yung nasa dilim. Should I move?
Come
What do you
closer.
guys think?
Yeah, ang lapit. Ang lapit
Oh
natin.
my God, we're getting closer na.
Sobrang close na.
Hindi ko na yata kaya to. Pag may katabi na ako, sabihin nyo ha.
Oo.
Halloween special.
Hello. Tapos na tayo sa Halloween.
Yeah, sorry.
Malapit na ka mag-Christmas. Ha?
No.
Oh. Yes.
Alam mo, nung bata ako, excited ako sa Christmas.
Oh.
Ngayon, hindi na masyado.
Why?
Ikaw na yung nagbibigay ng gifts eh.
that
Pagbata ka
is true.
talagang
That is true. Pagbata ka,
lang.
aginaldo, tapos mga laruan, ganyan.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, ano ibibigay ko sa inaanak ko? Oh my God!
May inaanak siya.
Oo nga pala, may inaanak is your
Baby!
Yes.
Anyway.
Pero nakaka-excite pa rin, malapit na mag-Christmas.
Yes, it's a fun time. It's
Mm-hmm.
a fun season.
So for today's video, what do you want to talk about?
I want to talk about ourselves again.
Ourselves.
As
Kasi
always.
tayo yung host eh.
Yeah.
Tayo yung extra eh.
I know. You are
I'm the extra.
Ako low-key.
Gusto ko yan, yung pinag-uusapan ng sarili.
Bakit? Ano ba, guys? Comment down below kung may gusto kayong topic na pag-usapan namin.
Mm-hmm. Kasi nga, binabasa namin lahat ng comments.
Lahat.
Lahat yan. Yung mga 100,000 comments.
Yes. Again, manifesting.
Yes.
Okay. No, really. I want to ask you, how are you?
How am I? Kasi
Parang ang lalim.
well, in
Usually
general,
kasi, ang sagot ng tao, how are you? Okay lang.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Pero in reality,
we don't know.
yeah, we don't know.
We don't really
It's just
know.
a standard answer.
But for me now, I'm happy.
You are.
I am
happy for you.
stable
You're stable.
and thriving.
Thrive!
Thriving! Yes!
Go, girl.
What about you? How are you?
Ako, okay naman din. Oo. But, ano tuloy ako?
Bigla kasing nag-alarm yung kotse ng kapitbahay. Okay. Yan na, wala na.
Ah, going back, I'm
Going back.
happy naman. I'm just a little overwhelmed.
Oh, how come?
How come? As a new mom, as a first-time mom, ang daming ganap. And then, I also went back to work na.
Mm-hmm.
Pagka 3 months pa lang ni baby. So now, I have to juggle a lot of things.
Mm-hmm.
Being a wife, a mom, and someone who works 8 to 5.
Oo nga,
Diba?
ang hirap
Parang,
nun.
ah,
And someone who podcasts.
oh yeah, 'di ba? May side quest pa.
May side quest pa.
Ngayon pa kung
Oo.
kailan overwhelmed. Pero hindi, I see this as an ano naman eh. Hindi siya
Something-
stress
oo.
or something. But yeah, I am overwhelmed.
Bakit mo natanong actually? Yun yung tanong ko. Bakit mo natanong na
Na.
how am I?
Because I want to check in on our mental health.
Oh. Okay, I see.
Can
I
we
see.
dive on that?
Yes, of course.
Of course.
Of course.
Okay, let's do it.
Lalo na itong topic na to, alam mo yung, it's a topic na hindi pinag-uusapan,
Mm-mm.
pero if not most, but a lot of people are experiencing, mental illness,
Yeah.
struggles,
Yes.
problems
We don't know what's happening.
in someone's mind.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hindi siya nakikita. Yung ibang tao, they can really mask it well eh.
Yeah,
So,
really well.
we have to, check in on our friends, especially because you don't know what they're
Yeah.
thinking about, what their experience is.
That is true.
Okay.
Oo.
Ayun. So, how are you, really? Ano ba? Background, maybe.
Siguro as a background,
Mm-mm.
para naman,
Kaya lagi ko siyang tinatanong ng how are you?
kasi para
We
naman
have,
sa viewers
oo.
and listeners natin, I myself,
Mm-mm.
nagkaroon na rin ako ng mental illness, diagnosed with depression and some other stuff,
Mm-mm.
ganyan. So, it really is difficult to
Mm-mm.
express how you feel.
Mm.
Alam mo yun?
Mm-mm.
And so dami ng taon,
Mm.
nag-alarm na naman yung car. Hindi, sa dami ng taon, I can say na ngayon,
Mm-mm.
this last 2 years is the most okay.
Most okay.
Yes, most
Mm-mm.
okay. So, nung medyo bata-bata pa ako, medyo struggling talaga. Pero, yeah,
Mm-mm.
thanks for asking.
Thank you for opening up.
And, sabi ko nga ako, naging patient nga ako.
Patient?
Patient.
Akala ko patient as a trait.
Patient as in pasyente.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Di ba? As naging pasyente.
Oo, pasyente.
Si Dots naman, naging isa sa mga support groups ko. Like, ano bang tawag natin doon? Hindi ko rin hindi ko sure kung anong tawag sa inyong mga close friends and families.
Support
Sila yung
system.
support system.
Mm-mm.
Sila yung support system.
We are. Kaya
So,
we do this regular check-in. Na,
Yeah. Kayo guys, kamusta kayo?
Yeah. How are you guys?
Comment down below.
May experience ba kayo sa ganito?
Oo.
Or if you have any questions for
Yeah, if you have
Bianca.
any questions regarding, how to deal with this, ganyan. I'm not an expert. She's not an expert. But, we can help each other out. Parang ganun.
Yeah.
Diba? Gusto ko yun.
Ang
Help
galing.
each other out.
Pack.
Mm-mm.
Let's suffer together.
Let's, deal with this together.
Yeah.
Ganyan.
Then no, with this, I'm proud of you for acknowledging it. Kasi it
Yeah.
takes courage
Yeah. And sa umpisa,
na ako
kasamang stage yung denial.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of
Denial.
people dinideny na may depression sila.
Mm-mm.
A lot of people doesn't know na,
Yun na pala yun.
don't know, na, mental illness pala ito.
Oo.
Oo.
Yung iba hindi nila ma-explain bakit sila ganito,
Mm-mm.
ganyan.
Mm-mm.
And not everyone is willing to seek help
Mm-mm.
eh. Yun.
Siguro ang masasabi ko doon, one, if you're struggling with something and you don't know what to do,
Mm-mm.
be vocal about it.
Mm-mm.
Kahit
That's
hindi
true.
nakikinig sa'yo ang parents mo, ang kapatid mo, ang mga kaibigan mo, there will be a person na makikinig sa'yo.
Especially kung babayaran mo sila.
Especially kung babayaran mo sila. Yeah, dyan pumapasok ang mga doctors, yung psychiatrists,
Yeah.
ganyan. Siyempre, we pay for
Their
their expert,
expertise.
oo. Pero if wala,
I
yun
think
nga,
may
sa
mga free
friends.
hotlines naman,
Meron,
diba?
meron.
Pero hindi ako aware.
Yeah, you can search them online. Meron mga suicide hotline, may psychologist na pwede ka magkonsulta.
Mm-mm. Counted ba si ChatGPT?
Si ChatGPT will only be a guide.
That's true.
Only be a guide, but it will not solve anything.
I think
Not
that
really.
goes the same with the seeking help sa
Yeah, it's paano
professional.
ba natin sabihin to? Everyone, like the doctors, the ganyan, they will be the guides
Mm-mm.
for your healing.
Mm-mm.
Pero yung totoo talaga, it will be you who will help you
True.
go through this.
And that's the first step, to acknowledge
That's the first step. Acknowledge it, accept it, embrace it, and
Embrace
then
it.
yes, embrace it. Dati kasi, girl,
Oh, bakit, girl?
dinideny ko talaga na
No.
there's something wrong with me.
Mm-mm.
Parang sa akin, no, this is just stress. No, this is just ganyan.
Mm-mm.
It's my sister who told me, no, Vianc, you need help.
Mm-mm.
You need, yun nga, a doctor, ganyan.
Oo.
Yun yung first step talaga. Denial.
Nung sinabi yun sa'yo, hindi ka naniniwala?
Hindi.
Anong
Ayoko
ginawa mo?
magpa-check.
Oo.
Parang ako, I don't need this. I'm not sick.
Wow.
Oo, parang
Ma-pride siya.
ma-pride pa ako na parang, no, I don't need this, ganyan. Pero nung nagpa-check up na ako,
Oo.
girl, iyak na ako.
Oh, may ako.
As in bawling, as in
Hagulgol.
hagulgol level.
Social
Hindi
siya.
ko alam na ganon. Social term, bawling.
Oo.
As in, hindi ko na alam saan nanggagaling. Yes. Then after a few sessions, I was diagnosed with depression, ganyan.
So you sought help.
I sought help.
Gano'ng katagal na to?
This was like 2017, 2018.
Ang tagal na nga.
Matagal na.
So, since then, you were struggling with depression?
Yeah, struggling, ganyan. Nung panahon na yun, lagi ko sinasabi struggling with depression. Pero ngayon na okay na ako, hindi ko sinasabi na nag-struggle ako.
Bakit?
Parang sa isip ko, it was just
a phase.
Na kailangan kong
i-overcome. Oh, that's good to hear.
Parang, at that time, hindi. That time, isipin mo, oh, what am I doing? Pero, ngayon, parang iniisip ko na, kailangan ko lang lagpasan pala yun. And then, I'll be okay. Which is now, I'm very okay.
Yeah.
Parang, that sounded not okay. Pero, yeah, I'm okay.
Oo. Parang mukhang genuine naman yung happiness mo. Pero matagal. Parang for her, it was an uphill battle talaga.
Alam mo kung ano ko dyan?
Ano?
Ewan ko kung makaka-relate yung mga viewers natin. Pero it was a roller coaster. Up, down, roll over, loop-de-loop, whatever, ganyan.
Oo.
Tapos meron nung biglang
Oo.
Ganun yung feeling.
Yeah, hindi talaga siya linear na pataas lang or hindi mo talaga alam eh.
I would just like to point out, kung may listeners man tayo na struggling or
you think you're there,
it's just a roller coaster. You will get off the roller coaster.
That's a nice,
diba?
That's a nice way to put it.
Yes. Naisip ko na yun lagi.
From years of therapy.
Yeah. It's just a roller coaster. You will get off it. Yeah. Going back to you naman.
To me.
You said you were experiencing, hindi naman struggle, but balancing work, mom, wife, all of that. How are you coping?
Being postpartum is one thing.
Can you define what's postpartum? Kasi hindi ko alam. Nanganak na.
Post. Ibig sabihin after.
After pregnancy.
Oo.
Okay.
Or basta tapos na yung pregnancy.
Okay.
So, when you're pregnant, you're very hormonal.
Oo.
And then when you give birth, your body changes again. It's trying to revert back. So, merong, I would say, since hormonal ka, merong drop of hormones.
Okay.
Alam mo yung mga happy hormones or
Oo,
something.
parang hormone imbalance.
Pwede. Actually, hindi ko masyadong alam yung mga scientific
Oo,
sa
oo.
pregnancy. May nabasa lang ako na sabi, postpartum, you have a drop in hormones
Mm-mm.
na magkakos ng iba-ibang feelings sa babae.
Mm.
So, pagkapanganak ko, ang daming pumapasok sa utak ko, dami ko na-feel, which I cannot understand.
Mm-mm.
So, yung mga ibang babae, they experience postpartum anxiety or postpartum depression. Tas meron pang iba na if you're breastfeeding, they have dysphoric. Basta malungkot ka every time you let down milk. May
May
ganon.
ganon.
Yeah, ang babae, ang dami niya na-experience postpartum.
And how long does it last?
I think it's different for everybody. May mga blessed ata na wala talaga silang naramdaman. Just the
Signs and
regular
symptoms.
recovery na physical. For me, I felt like may naramdaman akong iba. Parang, wait, this is not me.
Mm.
It's not normal. Medyo mahirap siya. I would say it was more mental. Pero siguro may scientific reason why.
Did you may situation ka ba or instance na you were crying?
Oh yeah, I was crying. Hindi naman all the time, pero I had bouts of crying. Minsan
Bouts of...
may mga instances na iiyak na lang ako bigla.
Oh.
Pero minsan out of happiness.
You just feel like...
Oo. Kasi nandiyan yung anak
overwhelmed
mo
with joy.
eh. Ang saya mo, ganyan-ganyan. Pero meron din parang, it was a period of, I was also grieving my past self.
Uh-huh.
Kasi hindi ka na single. Or, you're no longer your own because someone is dependent on you.
Yes.
Parang ganon.
Mm-mm.
Basta nag-change kasi yung buhay mo. So, parang, I felt lost for a while. Pero ngayon medyo okay na ako.
That's
Tapos, yun pa, ibabalance mo pa yung buhay mo. Because you have so many roles. Not
totoo.
just wife and mom. You're also a sister, you're a daughter, you're a friend.
Natiteary-eyed ka ba?
Oo.
Oh.
Parang pagka breastfeeding ka pa rin, you're still in that postpartum stage.
Okay. But
Ayan.
is it like yung mental illness na you overcome it? Matatapos din ba siya? Or
I think so, yeah.
You think so?
Oo.
Yeah.
Siguro, oo naman. Wala pa kasi ako dun.
Okay. You're still
Pero
in the...
Hindi na ganun ka lala. Pero I think meron pa din.
Oh.
Mahirap pang first time mom. Lalo na if you're very hands-on. Tapos you're working on healing, like physically. Kasi ang daming changes. Talagang di ako makapaniwala noon na what's happening. Hindi ko na alam.
Anyway, we had some technical... Ang daming dust. We had some technical difficulties and we're back. So we're talking about postpartum.
Oh, yeah.
Is it postpartum depression? Tama ba?
I think so. Pero hindi pa ako na-diagnose. I'm trying to seek help pa lang.
Okay. That's why no, isang gabi, tinanong mo. Oo. So I think a lot of mothers can relate to this.
I think so.
Yeah, siguro mga first-time mothers din.
Oo.
Na
overwhelming
experience
talaga
eh. But it's good that you're dealing with it.
Hindi.
Very
Very what?
Anong tawag doon? Sabihin ko very professionally. Hindi. You're dealing with it in good terms. The way I see it, hindi ka naman hindi mo naman inaabandon na ang responsibilidad mo.
Hindi
or
ako
something. Diba? Malay mo may ganon.
I think
na may nakaka-feel ng ganon.
Meron, I personally know someone who couldn't take care of her children.
Oh my God.
Hindi niya, may ganon kalalang cases ng postpartum depression. So yun, my message is be kind to moms, especially first-time moms. Those with newborn and infants. Well, nandun pa lang naman ako sa infant stage so hindi natin alam. But yeah, that's that. And it's very helpful that I have a very supportive husband.
Mm.
Kailangan mo ng,
Very
partner na
understanding.
reliable and understanding. Yeah. Sus, kikiligin na naman yung asawa ko dito.
Pero in
Ano?
fairness nababalance mo.
It seems like it.
Kasi nakapag-podcast ka pa eh.
Tamang pag-schedule lang yan.
Tamang schedule lang. Kundi, alam nyo, kung makikita nyo lang, may calendar kami. Yes!
Kailangan.
Akala mo talaga sobrang professional ng podcast natin.
I think that's a tita thing.
It's a-
Nakakalendaryo
nakakalendaryo
lang.
na.
Oo.
Oo.
Please send me a G-invite para
Yan.
nakalendaryo ko siya. Yeah.
I like that. Anyway, going back.
Going back. I think kahit hindi moms, you need to juggle a lot of things.
Yes.
Hindi ba,
oo.
nung working ka, hindi mo ba na-feel na parang ang dami mong kailangan gawin, ang dami mong kailangan...
Ay, grabe. That was the peak
Mm-mm.
ng ako kasi, yung depression ko, it's not like I'm always sad.
Oo.
I have rage. As in anger issues.
Mm-mm.
Na konting galaw, inis na inis ako na to the point na I'm not myself anymore.
Oo.
As in, nagiging bastos ako, nagiging unreasonable ako, I shout, I yell,
OMG.
ganon siya. So, yun yung peak ko nung nag-work ako.
Mm-mm.
So, a lot of people think na, well, the way I see it,
Oo.
na, si Bianca,
Ano?
nagdadrama na naman. Si Bianca,
Noon.
na naman, yan na naman siya, galit na naman siya.
Mm-mm.
Ganyan. At that time, parang ako, bakit ba ako galit? Hindi ko rin gets.
Napapa-question ka na
Yes,
rin.
parang hindi ko gets. Bakit ako galit? Bakit ako nagwawala? Ganyan.
Oo.
And then later on, dun ko na-realize na I was not okay.
Or you're not yourself.
I'm not myself.
Oo.
Parang kang nilalamon ng mind mo
Mm-mm.
into thinking, you're okay. This is just anger, ganyan.
Mm.
Pero deep inside, clinically, you're imbalanced there.
Oo.
You need help. You need
Mm-mm.
medicines.
So you
Ganun.
can you share na you're taking medicine?
Yes, I am taking medicines. Meron na akong maintenance.
Oh,
Wow,
maintenance
tita.
na
Oo,
yung
maintenance.
dating
But
niya.
I'm proud to say na from multiple medicines,
Mm-mm.
like marami talagang medicines, I'm down to 2.
Two?
2 na
Oh,
lang.
wow. 2 na
2
lang.
na lang. And it's just for, lang din, keeping me, calm.
Oh, my ganun.
Ganun.
Is it possible na mawala yung meds na yun?
Yes.
Okay.
Possible naman daw.
So there's
We're working on it.
at the end of the tunnel.
Yes. We are working on it. It's not mabilis. Hindi talaga.
May kilala ka ba na mabilis ang recovery?
Wala.
Wala talaga.
Wala. Sa lahat.
Kahit sinasabi ng doktor.
Yes. Doktor ko na nagsasabi,
Mm.
hindi siya mabilis.
Mm-mm.
Kung gusto nating alisin yan, ang tawag na tinitaper daw.
Oo.
Yan. So, hindi yan bigla-biglang aalisin. I have a
What?
kwento.
What's your kwent?
There's this moment in my life
Yes, what moment is that?
na sobrang saya ko, sobrang okay ako,
Oo.
sobrang feeling ko magaling na ako. Alam mo ginawa ko? Stinap ko lahat ng gamot ko.
Cold turkey.
Yes. Lahat.
Oh. What
Wala
happened
pang
next?
1 week, balik na ako sa doktor.
Mm,
Bumalik lahat.
na-feel mo lahat?
Yes. So, it's not like that na kapag okay, sa tingin mo okay ka na, di mo na kailangan ng gamot. No.
Mm.
Follow what the doctor says. Na
Yeah.
hindi biglaan, unti-unti, maalis din naman.
Mm-mm. Can I ask, nahanap mo ba agad yung doctor for you?
No.
So it's like a trial and error.
Yes. I'm in my 3rd doctor. Yes.
How can you say na swak na kayo ng doktor mo?
Ilang years na ako sa kanya.
Sa bagay.
Yeah. Pero, it's all about the method.
Or how do you say na yung first few na hindi siya nagwo-work or hindi mo siya trip, yung doktora?
Feeling ko, it's not na hindi nagwo-work.
Oo.
Ang kwento, ang advice sa akin ng current doctor ko, nasa, yung swak sa'yo,
Methods.
methods.
Like
Kasi
what?
first doctor ko, mahinhin siya.
Mm.
very mahinhin, very ako sa kanya, open
Mm-mm.
about everything, ganyan. Yeah, everything. Pero, it feels like it doesn't work.
Mm-mm.
So, I went to another doctor.
Mm-mm.
Yung doctor ko naman, meditation ang gusto.
Is this the second doctor?
Yeah, second doctor.
May, para sa mga nakikinig lang, may violent reaction siya sa meditations.
Kasi, ang meditation is not for everyone.
Is
But
that
this,
so?
yes, but this doctor,
Pinipilit niya.
pinipilit niya ako, you have to meditate, blah, blah, blah. I cannot meditate. As an extra girl, I cannot. Ang daming dumadaloy sa isip ko. Hindi ko kayang i-blanco ang isip ko. Ganyan. So, I sought another doctor.
Oo.
So, itong doctor na to, it's okay na hindi ka marunong mag-meditate. Kasi yun yung sinabi niya sa akin talaga, hindi ka marunong mag-meditate. Sabi ko, hindi po talaga. It's okay, wag mo na, it's not for you. Oo. Ang ito naman third doctor ko, tough love.
Wait, third. Di ba si second si meditation?
Oo.
So, naka-fourth ka na?
Hindi, itong third ko na yung current ko.
Okay.
Ito si tough love.
Hmm.
Na nag-work naman, apparently, nag-work naman sa akin na yung mga sinasabi niya, parang tumatatak na sa isip ko na, oo, hindi daw ganito. Hindi dapat ganitong isipin ko, ganyan.
Okay.
Tough love, minsan talaga sabi niya sa akin, yung totoo.
Hindi ba dapat ganun naman?
Oh,
nasa
pero
method, nasa delivery lang.
Pero tough love.
Mm.
Like, for example, sasabihin ko, ay kasi po, ganyan. Sabi niya, ay hindi mo kaya. Dapat ganito, ganyan. Dapat ang isipin mo,
napaka-prangka nga.
Oo, prangka siya. Which is okay sa akin. So, if you are looking for a doctor, it's okay kung hindi mo makita agad.
Mm-mm.
It's a trial and error thing kung ano yung saswak sa yung doctor. Yeah.
Parang nga, ako ang ko dyan, ang experience ko, I tried talking to a psychologist, not a psychiatrist.
Mm-mm.
Parang I had a problem before that needed a little help, some special kind of help.
Mm-mm.
So, merong ganong option pala.
Yes, meron.
Just talk therapy.
Yeah, meron talk therapy.
Oo. And yung na-experience ko nun before, nakatulong siya. Dun sa, yung doing talk therapy, wala masyado. Parang kakwentuhan ko lang siya. Tapos, nag-give lang siya ng, ano tawag doon?
Advice?
Yeah, pwede. Sige, advice. Parang friend mo lang.
Actually, itong ginagawa natin.
Mas professional mode
itong
lang.
Ginagawa natin, parang ina-advise din natin sila na yung mga takot magpa-check up, ganito lang naman yung gagawin nyo. Talk, mag-uusap kayo, ganyan.
Siguro at first, it seems scary. Kasi nga parang unang-una, galing ka sa denial stage.
Yes. Oo.
Tapos biglang you want to go to the next step. Saan ka pupunta? Or sinong kakausapin mo? You don't know eh. Parang, sige, madami mag-recommend sa'yo. May hotline for this, may website for that, there's a specialist for that. Parang, you don't know eh. Sometimes you're crippled by so many options. Pero nilalatag namin na there are many ways.
And gusto ko lang din segue. Gusto ko lang din i-mention, if you don't have the means to go to a doctor, may mga hotlines na free.
Yeah.
Oo. And, alam nyo, talk to, your friends. Kasi kung talagang friends kayo, talagang true friends, they will help you no matter what. Ayan, yung mga friends ko. Alam nyo ba na pag alam-alaman ko, may group chat pa sila na wala ako.
Wow, kala mo.
Nakita ko kasi yun. Nakalimutan ko kanina cellphone nakita yun. May group chat kayo na, sabi ko, bakit wala ako sa group chat na to? It's because, kapag nag-episode ako, episode is what you call yung mga rage and sadness, ganyan. Pinag-uusapan nila, sinong kakausap sa akin, sinong, you know.
For us kasi, nung time ni Bianca, parang it took a village to check in on her and keep her, sane, I guess.
Yes, very sane.
Kasi kahit sabihin mo na friend ka, hindi naman every time available ka
Oo,
eh.
totoo
So,
yun.
group kami na parang, guys, hindi ako pwede, sinong
At that
pwedeng
time, hindi ko
tumawag.
alam yan, ha?
Oo.
Na nag-uusap
Oo.
kayong ganyan. Ang nasa isip ko, sino lang yung free? I wanna talk to someone, ganyan.
Actually, yung group na yon para siyang, anong alam mo, how do we approach Bianca into this? Kasi minsan kailangan mo spellingin eh, paano ba, ganyan. So, it's more
Thank
of
you
that.
for that.
You're welcome. Well,
Very-
sweet
ay,
namin, no?
Pero hanggang ngayon, support system ko pa rin kayo. As in, parang, I can tell anything sa inyo.
I think
ganyan.
that's what friends are for.
Yeah. So kayo,
kung wala kayong
find
friends,
your true
charet.
friends. Kung wala kayong friends, comment to
Pwede.
us.
We are your online besties.
Yeah, your online besties.
Yeah. Pero,
Lalo na
what
ako,
I
mahilig
wanna-
ako makinig.
Talaga?
Napansin ko lang, hindi ako, well, I'm not a good listener. Pero when it comes
I can
to,
attest to that.
I'm not a good listener. Pero when it comes to mental
It's a topic
related topics, parang ako,
may
ako.
alam ka dyan eh.
Yeah.
Talagang first-hand experience.
Yeah. Meron nga akong, friend, di na lang natin siya papangalanan.
Mm-mm.
We have the same
Same
diagnosis, the same experiences na ko na, hindi lang pala ako mag-isa. Like, meron pala akong katulad na ganito rin ang naranasan nila. So, parang ako, yun, I like to help out din kung anong kailangan nyo. Ganyan.
Yeah, at least yun, parang, it's not just, yung, alam mo yung mga cliche na advice na medyo mahirap, yun. Tas yung the person na may nafe-feel, lalo niyang sasabihin na, hindi nyo kasi alam yung nararamdaman ko.
That
parang
is
ganun.
true.
So, at least, when you're talking to someone.
Well, akin, mas okay pa yung tough love.
Hindi. Yung like, ikaw, yung friend mo, alam niyang may pinagdaanan ka and you have experience in it. So, feeling ko mas may weight yung advice mo. Not just from a random friend na cliche ang ibibigay. And I think that's where seeking help enters. Kasi may hangganan yung kakayanin ng friends mo at saka ng family mo.
Yes.
They're not the professionals here.
Yes. Oo, yes, family din. Oo, kasi friends tayo ng friends. Pero first and foremost, yung family mo will understand you no matter what. Talk to them. Be open. Kung hindi sila nakikinig, make them listen. Alam mo yon.
I think that's you're blessed with understanding
Yes, very
parents,
blessed.
sisters. I can say na may ibang hindi understanding. Talagang sabihin lang nila, idasal mo lang yan, kulang ka lang sa simba. Or
meron nang nagsabi sa TV,
Mm.
sabi niya daw sa mental health issues. Sabi niya, gawa-gawa lang naman yan. Guni-guni lang yan. Kilala mo kung sino?
Naalala ko yun.
Naasar ako.
Pero
doon.
meron pa rin talagang mga hindi naniniwala sa mental health problems.
Meron nga.
So, kung isa ka sa mga yon,
Sad truth. Meron nga talaga.
Kaya parang it's so easy to say na share it to your family or friends. But what if, 'di ba, yung the people you're surrounded with, they're not as understanding. What do you do, 'di ba?
But yeah, this is still anong topic 'yon? Yung parang very wide topic na
Ang alam yung mental health.
mental health na mahirap siyang i-deal with.
Yes. Mahirap siyang i-deal with, i-tackle, pag-usapan. So,
but there
ba?
is, gusto ko lang talagang i-emphasize, may magkakaroon ng makikinig sa'yo.
Oo.
Do not lose hope.
Yeah, and if you're someone who believes in a higher being, pray.
Pray.
Kahit feeling mo hindi siya nakakatulong, I feel
Pray.
like to some extent, 'di ba?
Yeah.
May mga
For my
iba,
journey,
Oo.
it's really helpful.
Oo, yung iba faith talaga yung nag-save sa kanila.
That is true.
You know what's sad?
What?
Merong mga hindi nakaka-overcome.
Yes. Di ba nga recently, meron sa balita na hindi niya kinaya or, well, yun yung balita.
Oo.
Hindi niya kinaya ang mental depression, ganyan, and she's gone.
Yeah.
'Di ba?
At such a young age.
At a young age. Lagi ko nga iniisip yan eh. Parang, nung 19 ako, tapos na-experience ko yung na-experience ko sa ano ko, parang ako, gano'ng kalala ang nasa isip ko nun para hindi mo kayanin. Kasi ngayon, 32 na ako, ngayon ko pa lang nasabi na I can understand my mind. Nag-gets mo? Parang, pag,
I think it's
imagine
much
ikaw
heavier
19,
for
yeah.
a teenager.
Yes. Parang, sayang. Sayang yung life. Pero,
and someone who had so much potential, diba?
yes. Oo. It really is a loss. Yung ano.
Ako, hindi ko siya kilala talaga. Or I didn't come across any of her content. So nagulat ako na may ganito pala, and then this happened. So wala akong masyadong idea. Parang ngayon na lang lumalabas na may mga bullying na nagaganap.
Yes.
What's your take on that?
Bullying? Alam mo, hindi na ako magpapaka-plastic. At some point, naging bully ako. Yeah. At some point, nung bata ako, I didn't know
any better.
I
would say the same.
Pero nung, syempre, medyo tumanda na yun all, hindi na ako, parang, isa pa nga ako sa nabully. Parang both sides na experience ko. Yeah. Parang para sa akin, kailangan din turuan yung bully. Or hindi, gabayan yung bully. Kasi, kunwari ako, naging bully ako nung bata ako. I didn't know that this can affect the child or my classmate or something.
That's true.
Diba?
I think dahil nga bata ka pa nun, ako din naman may experience ako ngayon. We didn't know any better.
We didn't know. Kaya
Akala
kailangan,
mo laro lang
yung
or
magulang ang mag-guide sa anak na huwag kang maging bully, ganito. At the same time, dun sa nabubully, huwag kang papabully. Alam mo yon, lalo na ngayon.
Yeah. Sorry.
Online.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Grabe ang bullying and bashing.
Nung time kasi natin, walang social media. So, we're limited dun sa mga kaklase natin.
Actual bullying.
Sa mga kalaro natin. And you're not as brave in person than you are online.
Yes.
So, dahil ngayon, mas maraming online, mas magnified.
Yes.
Hindi sila scared. Talagang type lang or, 'di ba? It's so easy.
Oo. Kasi walang mangyari sa kanila eh. Wala naman nahabol sa kanila.
Walang sila kilala.
Wala, di ka kilala and all.
Pero I think for someone on the other end, yung reading those bashing
very
or hate comments.
Impactful. May word bang impactful?
Yata. Meron naman yata.
Very impactful. Nauubusan ako ng English. Okay. Pero, feeling ko naman nagigets ninyo na ang point namin dito is do not bully, be kind.
Online
and offline.
Yeah.
Seek help.
Parang it's so easy to say it. What about the bullying that's happening dun sa mga corrupt officials and sa mga anak nila?
Alala mo ba we're going there.
Hindi, it counts as bullying kasi. So, 'di ba, yung mga pinag-uusapan ngayon is huwag kayong mag-bully, be kind, blah blah blah, blah ganyan. Pero nandun din yung bullying against public officials eh.
Yeah.
And yung mga anak nila na nepo babies daw, yung mga those living in luxury, 'di ba? Galit tayo sa kanila eh.
For me, if there's a reason, it's karma.
Yeah.
I don't know. Do you believe in karma?
I do.
I believe in karma. If you do something bad, bad things will come to you.
Oo. I think that's a different, no?
That's the way I see it talaga.
Medyo mahirap na topic. Okay lang silang i-bully kasi corrupt sila. Ang hirap, no?
Ang hirap
kasi
sagutin.
Kasi ang stand natin is stop bullying eh. And then, although ako personally, hindi naman ako nag-participate sa any online bullying.
Ako
ganyan.
din. Ako din naman.
Ano kasi minsan nag-scroll ako na parang minsan nag-a-agree pa ako dun sa nakikita ko. So does that count as bullying?
I don't know, bullying or hate is different. Parang, meron kasing bullying na for no reason at all.
Sa bagay.
They're just gonna bully the way you talk,
Oo.
the way
Oo
you
nga.
dress, the way you, but if you did something bad,
Oh, that
that's
affects
more,
other people.
yeah, that affects innocent people.
Mm-mm.
It's hate. May hate
G
na.
lang, ganon.
No
Pero
comment.
grabe. Anyway, that's a very off-tangent topic. But I just felt like marami kasing nagko-qualify na
Yes.
paano yung mga binubully nyo rin eh. Yan.
Balik muna nila yung pera.
Pakibalik kasi. Grabe kasi, billions of
Billions!
pesos. Like, hindi, alam mo
Alam mo,
may,
may say ako dyan sa it's either bullying or hate, diba?
Mm-mm.
But I think people tend to be like protective of the people
Sa bagay.
na na-affect
Oo.
ng todo
Oo.
dun sa nangyari.
I think hindi
Dun-
lang
dun
affected. Girl, lahat
nanggagaling.
tayo.
Yes,
Lahat tayo
oo.
affected eh.
Dun nang gagaling.
Oo.
Yeah. Yung sinasabi ko naman, be kind, yung mga tipong wala namang ginagawa,
Oo,
social
tama.
media influencer siya, and she's just doing her job and everything.
I don't think it's her job, but
I mean, there's no reason na,
may nakita
Ano?
akong video niya. Parang nag-start siya sa content creation as expression therapy. Yun ang sabi niya. Part siya ng therapy niya, yung ine-express niya yung sarili niya. And I think pinili niya yung online or social media. So, it was meant to be an avenue
an
to help
outlet.
her, to help her heal, or 'di ba? Basta therapy daw niya yun eh. Tapos biglang it became a space, a negative space for her. So, 'di ba, parang may disconnect na, hey, this is supposed to help me. Bakit
Yeah.
why is it making it worse?
Alam mo, online talaga. Online world is a roller coaster.
It is.
To be honest, it's a roller coaster.
O kaya ako scared eh.
Scared ka sa
Yeah, 'di ba, when you put
I'll
yourself
protect you.
Thank you.
I'll protect you.
Pero yun na, hindi mo kasi mapipigilan.
Hindi mo mapipigilan.
Pero still, be kind, di
Be
ba?
kind. If you don't want what you're watching, then stop watching. Yun lang.
Scroll away.
Scroll away. Click away.
Oo. Don't follow. Don't subscribe.
Yeah. Block us.
Oo.
Whatever.
I think yun din yun, no? Don't consume content you don't even like.
Alam mo, maganda yan.
Oo.
Kasi nakatulong din yan sa akin.
Mm-mm.
If there are people na ayoko talagang nakikita,
Yes.
as in nang gagalaiti, nanggigigil ako, nakikita ko, block.
Oo.
Or unfriend.
Yes,
Or
unfollow.
unfollow.
Yeah, I do
You
that
just
too.
move on, you know?
Mm-mm.
Huwag na
Lalo
natin
na kung
ipilit.
strangers lang kayo, or, di ba,
Mm-mm.
stop. Don't engage. Huwag ka na mag-type ng hateful comment.
Mm-mm.
Sobrang dami kasing opinionated na they feel like this person needs to know what I'm thinking about. Even if it's hate comment, na parang type away, anything, di ba? If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it.
anything.
Yeah.
Yes. And it goes with in life then.
Mm-mm.
Pag wala kang magandang sasabihin,
Oo.
huwag ka na lang makipag-usap. Kaya tinan mo, nasa bahay ako.
Kaya hindi ka lumalabas.
Kaya hindi ako lumalabas.
Hey, that's not healthy.
Joke lang. Pero alam mo, nakatulong sa akin yung social media.
Alam mo, ang sinag na ng araw.
Grabe. Yung sinag ng araw sa
Wala
akin.
pa po kaming budget pang ilaw, pang natural sunlight.
Sa next episode, malay nyo, may
Pantay
lights.
na yung light.
Pantay na yung ilaw namin. Oo nga, parang ano ako,
Nandito pa naman
parang
ako sa
puti ko.
brown na couch.
Dito ka. Magkaganon tayo.
Anyway, going back.
Sa mga listeners, yung sinag kasi ng araw nasa akin.
Oo, as in, huwag ka munang sasama sa ilaw.
Don't go into the light, Bianca. Yes.
Okay. We were talking about, hindi ka na
even-
lumalabas.
And social media helped me din.
Mm-mm.
It became my hobby din kasi.
Mm-mm.
Na kapag nasistress ako, I make content. Parang ganon.
It's also, expression therapy for you.
Yeah.
So, it's a thing pala.
It's a thing. It's an outlet.
Mm-mm.
Sabi nga ng sister ko, sabi ko kasi sa sister ko, huwag kayo makikinig ng podcast.
Kung nakikinig man po kayo, hello.
Hello. Pero sabi ko sa kanila, huwag silang makikinig. Tapos sabi nung isa, okay, if that's your outlet, okay, hindi ako makikinig. Sabi ko, okay. Pero low-key feeling ko nakikinig sila.
Low-key?
Yeah, so,
That was an
what is your...
insightful talk. What's my?
Hopefully, natakil natin yung
Yung
topic na to in a lighter
Yeah.
way.
We wanted to tackle this in a
Yeah.
light manner.
Kasi, lalo na sa akin, ay, sa'yo din.
Mm-mm.
We're experiencing it kasi.
Mm-mm.
So, parang,
It's such a diverse topic and it can come from different experiences.
yes. So, anong takeaway mo sa ating podcast today?
My takeaway for today is be kind and shut up if wala kang magandang sasabihin.
Gusto ko yan. Shut up na lang tayo pag wala tayong magandang
Please.
sasabihin. Kala mo naman may bashers na tayo. Wala.
Wala po. Mabait po
sana.
kami.
Ako, ang takeaway ko, if you're experiencing this, it's okay. You're gonna get through this. It's a roller coaster. You're gonna get off it. And you'll be happy again.
Yeah.
Yes.
At saka, I want to add na when you are in the thick of it, whatever you are experiencing, sadness, depression, anxiety, actually, yan madami pa na we can't really name. It might feel impossible at the moment.
Yes.
Pero you have to find, hindi naman light. You have to find the silver lining in anything. I'm sure you can.
The brighter side.
Oo. Parang, just think of it as, you can come out of it as a stronger person.
Yes. Stronger.
Yeah.
Agree.
Stronger, wiser,
I agree.
better. Yeah. You're stronger than you think you are. Diba? Pagka
yes.
talaga nandun ka, minsan hindi ka makaakyat eh.
Yes.
You feel, you think you're drowning, mga ganong bagay. And it helps to have a very good support system.
Support system.
Find
your support
circle,
system.
yeah. Family, friends, professionals. We recommend going to a professional.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you want my doctor,
Hi, Doc.
comment down below. Joke lang. Pero, bahala kayo.
If you want advice from us, we are open to that.
Yes.
Email, maybe?
Email, yeah. If you have stories that you can't comment, you can email us at lowkeyextrapod@gmail.com.
I think it's in the description naman.
Babasahin namin yan if you need help or advice. Whatever.
Yeah, please reach out. Wag mong kimkimin.
Let's end this podcast on a lighter note.
Okay. What lighter note?
Naano ko lang to sa ibang podcast din eh. Meron silang segments.
Anong segment
So for
to?
today, what is your coffee order in Starbucks?
Coffee order.
Or drink order?
Can I have two?
Yeah.
I love coffee. So, ang pinaka-order ko sa Starbucks, cafe latte.
Okay.
No sugar.
Nice.
Coffee lang. Tapos,
Ew!
what?
Ang pait!
Actually, brewed coffee, black drinker lang ako.
Ew!
I love black coffee. Black
Such a
coffee.
low-key.
I know, it's a low-key
Such a
drink.
low-key drink.
Can you share your extra drink?
I don't have an extra drink, but wala siya sa menu.
Wow.
The Golden Monkey. Ikaw nag-introduce sa akin nun.
Nasa menu yun.
Wala dun sa
Wala
ganun.
na siya.
Wala. As in, yung word na Golden Monkey,
I
wala.
see.
Parang mix-mix siya ng iced tea and black tea.
Yun ba yung may pearls?
Hindi,
Wala na yun. Okay.
It's like an iced tea, gano'n.
Oh, love ko rin yun.
Ikaw nag-introduce yun sa akin eh. That's my go-to drink sa Starbucks.
As, pinag-graduate kasi ako ng Starbucks.
Wow.
Doon ako lagi nag-aaral.
Uh-uh.
Kaya marami tayong Starbucks drink.
Yes.
But my other Starbucks drink is matcha latte. If you are a matcha person, I think you started sa Starbucks. Dami na kasing matcha
If you're
place
a
ngayon.
matcha hater,
Like
hi.
her. She's so low-key a matcha hater.
Not low-key. I
Ay,
am a matcha hater.
okay, extra.
No, I just don't like the taste.
Lasang damo.
Lasang damo.
Ako hindi ko alam. First sip pa lang, ay, sarap na matcha.
Totoo! Ako
Oo.
first sip pa lang, damo.
O kaya yung mga chocolate na, alam mo yung mga KitKat.
Oo.
Gusto mo ba yun, yung matcha?
Okay yung KitKat na matcha. Okay lang,
Oh.
matamis eh.
Sa bagay. Pero yung drink talaga
Na.
kahit ano. Ang sarap. Papa-custom ko yun sa Starbucks na change to hazelnut syrup, change sub-oat milk, mga ganun.
Nasa arawan ako.
Sa mga team black coffee and team matcha latte appear.
Alright. Hindi na ako mag-argue doon.
That was a fun segment. Parang
Yeah.
inaasar ko siya sa mga drinks ko. Drink of choice. Parang naalala niyo yung first episode, parang diring-diri siya na mahilig ako sa sports.
Sa reading. Sa book
Oh,
lover.
yeah. Girl, may reaction ka rin dun sa pagka-active ko eh.
Yeah. Oh well.
Oh well, she's so extra.
Oh well, nasa sinag ako ng araw.
It's time.
It's time.
Thank you,
Alright.
everyone.
Thanks for watching. Bye!
Don't go into the light.